It is now 7:20. I just did about 45 minutes on the stairs and just picked up my new favorite coffee, which is Quick Check Pumpkin Spice. So bomb, and I'm a little sick, but I need to go get ready because we have a long day. Say hello.
Hello everybody. We're going to the big city today. We're gonna have a good time.
We're waiting for the bus because Mammy said that there was an 8:50 bus. So now we're waiting for the 9:05. I feel like crap, so that's what we're doing. We just made it. I'm 10 minutes late. I have to pee so bad. This is the fit. Yeezys, Aligns, Favorite PM, hoops from Urban, and this Free People sweater. Wow, what a workout, just walking up the stairs.
Nice.
What the?
How many steps are here?
This is so cool. I probably shouldn't be filming, but this is a gym apparently. Oh my god, this is what? So we got in trouble for filming, but it was a gym. Sick! And now we're going to my favorite place in the world, byChloe. I'm so excited. I don't know how I convinced my mother to come to a vegan place, but I did. My byChloe order: sweet potato fries, guac burger, and then we got mac and cheese. I don't know where to go.
I don't need this glass.
Alright. How cute. I don't know. We are at the Sugar Factory.
Lonnie not having diabetes.
I'm gonna have diabetes after this. Oh well, I got tested for diabetes today.
Diet is fine, you know?
Google? Free People. Oh. We are now going to the Chelsea market. I feel like I'm doing like everything I did here last time I was here. Can we cross? No? Okay. Hi guys, so it's like 6 o'clock now. I just got home, literally just pulled in the driveway. I slept the whole ride home, it was amazing. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys an update, and overall, this gastro experience was hands down the best experience I've had with any of these doctors that I've been to so far, and I'm so happy that I went there. So the name of the place is Greater New York Gastroenterology. And the office was really nice, really clean, modern decorated, like they had waters for you. It was just really nice, and the doctor was phenomenal. He is a SIBO specialist, and his name is Dr. Eng, and he really sat there and explained everything to my mom and my grandma. We're just kind of like, how did she necessarily get SIBO? Because that's like a question that we really don't have an answer to yet. And my mom brought up a really good point, and she was like, I wonder if it has to do with like juuling, because they juuled for like over a year, because you know there's different types of SIBO. There's methane dominant and hydrogen dominant. So she was like, I wonder if, because those are like gases, if that was in the Joule, and that's kind of how I got it. So I just ran out of space on my memory card, so sorry if it's like reset. So that was a question my mom brought up, but like there's no obviously like studies on that or anything yet. I was like, wow mom, that was like a really good thing to think of. He went over everything with me. He gave me these probiotics that I have to take after my antibiotics for 2 weeks that he says are really strong, and he says most of his clients have success with them after the first round of antibiotics. He says I probably will need a second round It's probably not gonna go away the first time. The reason they don't give you too much is because it's like a really expensive antibiotic. It's like $1,800. So your insurance company like hates you for it basically. I love when I find doctors that really go above and beyond for their patients. And another thing that I was tested for today, which I got some blood taken, was actually diabetes. So my dad's adopted, so we don't really know. Why is this not focusing? So I don't necessarily have any medical history. There's no family history on my mom's side of any diabetes. Like, no one in my family has ever had diabetes. So he said that SIBO could be caused by diabetes that I obviously don't know about, and is like a possible factor for weight gain. So my mom was like, you are getting blood work done today, sorry. And I was like, oh, didn't faint. Love that for me. And then we just had an eventful day. We walked to Highline because my mom and my grandma have never done that before, which is just funny because like it was literally the last time I went to the city with Matt and Charlie. That's exactly what we did. But we went to byChloe, my favorite place ever. I'm so full from that lunch still, because I really haven't had an appetite at all on my antibiotics, so I haven't been eating that much. And then we went to Sugar Factory and I got like drunk off of one drink, and I spilled my first drink all over myself and my grandma. That's basically my update. I had carbs today for the first time in a week, which was oh so good because I've obviously been grain free. I told him, you know, I'm up 25 pounds now. And he was like, yeah, I'm sure that's like really hard to deal with, especially like, you know, social media body image issues. I'm like, yeah, it fucking sucks. So he said that like once my SIBO goes away, like all of my weight will flush off. I'm looking a lot more hopeful because this weekend I did nothing. I was pretty sick, as you guys can hear in my voice. Not like pretty sick, but I have like a sinus infection from these antibiotics. I've had like on and off fevers. This weekend was really bad mentally for me. I got on a scale. I told myself I wasn't going to do. I did that. I watched like a lot of people's videos on SIBO and did my own research and like, you know, how it wasn't working for them, whatever, the antibiotics and stuff like that. It was like a big weekend of just like mental breakdowns and crying. That's why like Sunday night, I emailed them for an appointment and they got back to me Monday morning first thing, and they just happened to have this 11 o'clock appointment today for me. So I'm feeling a lot more hopeful than I was a few days ago. After today, I really do feel a lot better. I have like a more positive outlook on this whole thing because after this weekend, I was not having it. It is 6:30. I'm freaking tired. It took us a while to get home. Traffic in North Jersey is just like, oh my god, shoot me. I do it every single day. I'm like so over it. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's totally like random, but I'm glad I vlogged because I haven't done it in a while. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any SIBO questions or anything, I will link this doctor, his information down below as well. So I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.